In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product price on Shopify. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently update your prices whenever you need to, whether you're running a sale, reacting to supplier costs, or just optimizing your margins. First, sign into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage everything about your store, from products and orders to customers and settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally change prices in the wrong place. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all the items in your store are listed. You'll see a table with product titles, status, inventory, and of course, prices. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top or filters to quickly find the one you're looking for. Next, click on the product you want to change the price for. This will open the product details page. Here, you'll see sections for the title, description, media like images or videos, and then just below those, you'll find the pricing area. Scroll down until you locate the price section, which is the second section after the title, description, and media section. In the field labeled price, delete the old amount and enter your new price. Take a moment to double check that you've typed it correctly and that the currency matches your store's settings. Remember, this is the price your customers will see and pay at checkout. If you like, you can also create a compare at price. This option should appear just below the price field you've updated. The compare at price is typically the original or higher price that you're discounting from, and the main price becomes the sale price. For example, you might set the compare at price to 50 and the actual price to 35 to show customers they're getting a discount. This can be a useful way to highlight promotions or special offers. Once you're happy with the new price and the optional compare at price if you've used it, scroll up or down to find the Save button, usually in the top or bottom right corner of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. Shopify will update the product and your new price will now be live on your store. That's all you need to do to change a product price on Shopify.